Hi, in this session I am going to demonstrate how to draw these shapes in ScratchJr Paint Editor program. This task is given in our lab activity work. Let's go to the ScratchJr Paint Editor. Now look here, my paint editor is ready. First shape is rectangle. To draw the rectangle, select the rectangle tool from here. Now select the thickness of outline for the rectangle. This thickness is selected. I like to leave as it is. Select the color. I like to select this color. Now let's draw the rectangle. S. Next one is the circle, perfect circle. To draw the circle, select the circle tool from this tool panel. Now, I like to select this thickness and same color. To draw the perfect circle, hold down the shift key and start to draw. Now look here. Next one is oval shape. For the oval shapes, we have to select the circle tool. Circle tool is selected. I like to use same thickness and same color. Just I have to draw. Perfect. Next one is triangle shape. To draw the triangle shape, select the triangle tool from this tool panel. I like to select same thickness and same color. S. Next one is also triangle, but it is the just upside down of this one. Just we have to draw the triangle. To make the upside down of this, select the rotate tool and rotate in this way. Good. Next one is the oval shape. To draw the oval shape, select the circle tool from here. I like to select same thickness and same color, which are selected. Good. Next one is line shape. To draw the line shape, we have to select the line tool from here. I like to select same thickness and same color for this one. Such type of object is given in our activity work. Now look here, our work is completed. In this way, you have to draw these shapes yourself. Finally, we have to save this work. To save this work, just we have to click on this tick mark.